Hello, everyone.
Hi there.
Welcome to Pronounce Faster, your podcast for learning natural English.
We make fluency fun through shadowing and real conversations.
I'm Sarah.
And I'm Mike.
New listeners, let's explain shadowing quickly.
Shadowing means you repeat everything we say.
Listen and copy our voice, rhythm, and pronunciation.
Don't worry about being perfect, just keep going.
Ready? Let's start shadowing.
We're here in our recording studio today.
Today we're learning essential everyday sentences.
These are phrases you'll use all the time.
Perfect for beginner and intermediate learners.
Let's start with greetings and basic interactions.
These are the most common phrases you need.
How are you?
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
I'm fine, thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Have a great day.
Have a great day.
See you later.
See you later.
Take care.
Take care. Now let's practice shopping and restaurant phrases.
You'll use these every day.
How much does this cost?
How much does this cost?
Can I pay by card?
Can I pay by card?
I'd like to buy this, please.
I'd like to buy this, please.
Do you have this in a different size?
Do you have this in a different size? I'd like to order the chicken.
I'd like to order the chicken.
Could I have the menu, please?
Could I have the menu, please?
Could I have the bill, please?
Could I have the bill, please? Now phrases for asking for help.
These are very important.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Excuse me, can you help me?
Where is the bathroom?
Where is the bathroom?
I don't understand.
I don't understand.
Could you repeat that, please?
Could you repeat that, please?
Could you speak more slowly?
Could you speak more slowly?
Can you show me on the map?
Can you show me on the map? Let's practice making appointments.
These phrases are useful for doctors, meetings, and more.
I'd like to make an appointment.
I'd like to make an appointment.
What time is available?
What time is available?
Does 3 o'clock work?
Does 3 o'clock work?
I need to reschedule my appointment.
I need to reschedule my appointment.
I'll be there at 10 in the morning.
I'll be there at 10 in the morning. Now phone and communication phrases.
Essential for calls and messages.
May I speak to John, please?
May I speak to John, please?
Can you call me back later?
Can you call me back later?
I'll send you a text message.
I'll send you a text message.
What's your phone number?
What's your phone number?
I'll email you the details.
I'll email you the details. Transportation phrases are next.
For getting around the city.
How do I get to the train station?
How do I get to the train station?
Where is the nearest bus stop?
Where is the nearest bus stop?
Is this the right train?
Is this the right train?
How much is a ticket?
How much is a ticket?
When does the next bus leave?
When does the next bus leave? Let's practice work and school phrases.
Useful in professional and academic settings.
I need more time to finish this.
I need more time to finish this.
Can you explain this again?
Can you explain this again?
When is the deadline?
When is the deadline?
I have a question about this.
I have a question about this.
Thank you for your help.
Thank you for your help. Finally, emergency phrases.
These are very important to know.
I need help.
I need help.
Please call a doctor.
Please call a doctor.
Where is the nearest hospital?
Where is the nearest hospital?
I don't feel well.
I don't feel well.
Can someone help me, please?
Can someone help me, please? Let's review some of the most important sentences.
Practice these every day.
How are you?
How are you?
Excuse me, can you help me?
Excuse me, can you help me?
How much does this cost?
How much does this cost?
I don't understand.
I don't understand.
Could you repeat that, please?
Could you repeat that, please?
Where is the bathroom?
Where is the bathroom?
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. These sentences will help you every single day.
Practice them until they become automatic.
Use them in real situations.
Don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Everyone makes mistakes when learning.
The important thing is to practice.
Great job shadowing with us today.
These essential sentences will make your life easier.
Practice them every day.
And remember to subscribe.
Click the like button.
Share with your friends.
Thank you for listening today.
Keep practicing your English.
See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye, Sarah.
Goodbye, Mike.
Pronounce faster.